Hello everyone, and join me for a walk around of our 1977 Triumph TR7. Now the first thing you notice when you look at the car is obviously this gorgeous, deep burgundy paintwork. I think it's really elegant and classy. Now it is a fixed head coupe, but it is quite a special and rare one because there is no sunroof fitted. And I really like that. I kind of like the fact that it's got kind of sleek line rather than having the sunroof popped in the top to kind of break up the lines. But it's really lovely. Now let's have a look in the interior. So, in the interior, the theme of the burgundy is continued throughout. So you've got the kind of burgundy carpets all around. The seats, okay, they're a little more red than burgundy, but it's a lovely plaid, black and red seat cover really, and also you've got that continuing on the doors as well, which you can see here, which is really nicely, so the whole car feels really cohesive. Now it is a 1970s car and the entire console is extremely plastic, but I think that's okay because you kind of feel like you're in a time capsule when you step inside with kind of plastic, the plaid, the colours. It works really well. There's a lot of nifty buttons as well. Now one of my favourite things about this car is the pop-up headlights. And with just the flick of this button here, it pops up the headlights at the front. Let's go check them out. And here they are. I just really enjoy them. I think they're quirky and cute. It kind of gives you the kind of feel of a Ferrari, but not quite. But they are really enjoyable, and I think the look that it gives the car is quite quirky, it really is. But yeah, they're one of my favourite features of this Triumph. So let's take a look under the bonnet now. Here it is. So we have our 2-litre engine in here. Now as you can see, it's really clean and sparkling. That's probably because it was not that long ago refurbished by Ben Marshall Vintage Cars. So he refurbished quite a lot of the car. Now the previous owner absolutely adored it and asked him to restore the car and kind of said there's no budget, so just go crazy and try and make this car the absolute best example in the UK, and they definitely have tried their best. It is gorgeous. Now as I mentioned, it is a 2-litre engine and has got a 4-speed manual gearbox that was also restored and refurbished by the same person, Ben Marshall Vintage Cars, and the axle as well, alongside a lot of other bits and bobs on this car to make it the gorgeous example that you see right now. Now let's have a little 360 walk around the car. So, you may have noticed or recognised this car because it has actually been, not this one particularly, but the TR7 has been in a popular TV show, The Detectorists, that was filmed right here in Suffolk. So we thought we'd just show you now a little 360 around the car. It is a really cool car. Now, it may be a little bit of a Marmite car, I believe. Like, so for example, some people at the workshop here really enjoy it, but one of my marketing team, my friend's Nick, he is not so keen. But you know, each to their own. It is a gorgeous car, and if you are interested in winning it, then please do go to the British Classic Cars competitions website and take a closer look.